And today we have another RC car by Hosim. Let's go ahead and check it out and see what you're gonna get. Here it is right here, the Hosim Super Fast High Speed. And this is a brushed RC car. You can see your big ESC right here. You have your steering servo underneath. This thing has adjustable camber, has adjustable toe. You can adjust the shocks in the back. It has oil-filled shocks all the way around, which feels super nice. You have this big heatsink that has a warning sticker on it. Do not touch it. Check that out. And it also has the super durable tub-style chassis, and all these links ends are quite large. So this is going to be a very durable little RC car. Now when you buy this, you do have to put the spoiler on and the wheelie bar. And yes, you will need the wheelie bar. And you also get two bodies, and you have to put the roll cages on the bodies. But check out this truck. You get this body, and you get this body. You're also going to get your manual, two batteries, screwdriver, cleaning brush, extra body clips, and a bag to keep everything in. So what we're going to do is we're going to slap a battery in this thing. We're going to fire it up. We're going to test it out. We're going to put a GPS on it to see how fast it is. And then we're going to do some thrashing and bashing and maybe jump off the roof. So let's get to it. Okay, so here we are on the street. You can see I have the GPS strapped right here with some painter's tape for the speed run only. Before the bash session, I will be taking that off. And here's the actual GPS itself. I have it on 0 miles an hour. And we're going to go ahead and put this on track mode, and we're going to hit start. And it is now testing. As you can see, I moved it and the mile per hour moved. So let's see how fast this little car is after we turn it on. There's that wheelie bar being tested. All right, let's see. All right, let's go ahead and see what we got. We're going to stop the test. We're going to hit read. 17 miles an hour. Not too bad for a ready to run brushed RC car. Let's go ahead. Let's do our little bash session. We're going to see how tough it is, and let's see what it can take. So GPS off, and let's do it. As you can see, it handles the grass, no problem whatsoever. What about big jumps? Oh, nearly stuck the backflip. Let's try that again. I think we can get a backflip out of it. Oh. Oh, it loves its wheels. That's a good RC car when they like to land on their wheels. All right, so we're going to do our durability test. We're going to throw it up on the roof. Yep, it made it. It's up there. Careful. Let's go ahead. Let's see how tough this little guy is. No problem. I didn't see anything break. But one way to find out. Look how it hops through that super thick grass. Nothing slowing this down. Tons of torque, great for mud, great for water. I wouldn't completely submerge it, but it's okay if it gets wet. Awesome for dirt, grass, just all types of terrains. And it's a super, super tough little RC car. I mean, look how nice that chassis looks. This thing is awesome. All right, let's do some more driving. This is going to be a perfect little car for your beginner RC enthusiast. It's not so fast that they're going to crash it and trash it on their first time ever driving it, but it's going to give them good experience, and it's fast enough for them to have a lot of fun and learn. And the fact that it has enough torque to go through all different terrains is pretty awesome. So I have no complaints. This little Hosim right here. It looks nice, it's durable, has oil-filled shocks. It has steel drive shafts and steel gears, and going to be super durable and give you a nice long life. And down the road, if you wanted to upgrade it to something much quicker, you could. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.